Welcome to Math with Marker. Today I'm gonna solve a really nice integral, so let's talk about this. If we have integral dx divided by x times the square root of 9x squared minus 1, we want to find the answer. So for the first step, I can write it as a better form, so I can write integral dx divided by x times the square root of 3x squared minus 1. And so I have to use a really nice substitution. And what is that? In one of my videos, I'll put the link of that video in description. I told you that if, for example, you had, a u squared minus a squared, it's better to use u as a times secant theta, right? So it means in this equation, that's very nice. In this equation, it's better to use 3x will be equal secant theta. So if you differentiate on the left side, you can write 3 times dx. On the right side, you can write secant theta times tangent theta times d theta. Why? Because if you differentiate of secant theta, the answer will be equal secant theta times tangent theta. So here we go. If I use this form, instead of dx, I can write secant theta times tangent theta times d theta divided by 3. So here I put 1/3 behind the integral, and I can write secant theta times tangent theta times d theta divided by, instead of x, I can use secant theta divided by 3. So let me use secant theta divided by 3 times. Now it's very important to make this function, I mean the square root of 9x squared minus 1. What can we do? If you use power, you can write 9x squared will be equal secant theta squared here. And I want to put minus 1 for both sides, so you can write 9x squared minus 1 will be equal secant theta squared minus 1. And of course, you know that the secant theta will be equal 1 plus tangent theta squared. Tangent, let me clean it. Oh, it don't clean, yes, the 2 is here, and it means the 9x squared minus 1 will be equal tangent theta squared. So it means the square root of 9x squared minus 1 will be equal tangent theta. So here we go, we can cancel 3 and 3, and so the final answer for this integral will equal integral just d theta. We can cancel secant theta and tangent theta for denominator and on the top, so the answer will be equal theta plus c. And don't forget, our integral was the function with x, and so it's very important to answer that with x. So what is theta? The theta will be equal secant inverse 3x plus c, and that's the final answer because of this really nice equation that I wrote for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.